This colorful chicken dish has so much flavor and can be made in no time. Let's see how.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make Thai peanut chicken. It's such a flavorful and quick and easy recipe. Let's go.
The main ingredient is peanut butter. I have used the crunchy peanut butter which has a few roasted peanut pieces for a nice crunch. This is store-bought shrimp paste. This is one of the important ingredients to give this dish its unique flavor. This is brown sugar. You can also use palm sugar if available. All these ingredients will enhance the flavor of the final dish. Making Thai food is not difficult. We just need to get hold of the right ingredients. We will adjust the consistency by adding just a little water. It has to be a smooth consistency. Mix and keep aside. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I'm going to show some nice, unique, yummy recipes in the future. And thank you for your support. This dish is a balance of veggies and protein and so flavorful. Saute the carrots for a few seconds on high heat and keep them aside. Do the same with the broccoli, cooking on high heat. Boneless chicken works best for this recipe as it cooks very quickly. Saute until it cooks through. Now we will add the prepared peanut butter mixture and cook on medium-high heat to heat it through. This dish comes together so quickly. Add the onions and sauteed veggies back into the wok and cook on medium-high heat for a minute or so. Garnish with some green onions and mix. Our peanut chicken is ready to serve. It looks so good. Let's see how to plate it. Here I have the prepared sticky rice with the peanut chicken on the side. Garnish with a few roasted sesame seeds, both black and white. Some chopped coriander leaves, green onions, and roasted chopped peanuts. Here you go. A peanut chicken looks just perfect and so colorful. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thanks for watching.
I told you it was quick and easy. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.